Hello everyone, I am going to explain you the new topic for the standard 12 bio, that is in chapter number 8 allergy. Okay, so up to structure of antibody we have already discussed. So what is allergy? Short notes are generally asked in your board examination. So try to understand what this allergy means. So allergy can be defined as the exaggerated response. Exaggerated means थोड़ा सा बढ़ा चढ़ा करके, very violent response or hypersensitive reactions of the immune system to certain antigen oblique substances, especially the substances. Antigen antibody reaction we have already discussed. So allergy is the main cause of various disorder or symptoms in case of any infection. So common symptoms when substance or the substance which creates this exaggerated response are known as allergens. So common allergens are pollen grains in our environment, dusts, mites, and some certain chemicals. It is very difficult to know that a particular person is has an allergy with whatever be. It's a very difficult to find out. But we are generally we have a different allergens, maybe various level, they create some symptoms and disorders in our body. So what are the symptoms? Generally allergen give the symptoms like sneezing, coughing, swelling. Frequently we see this one, watery eye or irritation, running nose, breathlessness, sometimes headache. These are common symptoms of allergy. Now, what are the cause? The cause of this allergy, when the allergens come in the contact with the mast cell, they release one chemical, you will remember, that is called histagen. So histagen chemical is histamine chemical is released in response to allergen, and that gives the histamine or serotonin from the mast cell, which are the responsible for allergic responses. Okay. So what are the remedy if the person have very severe allergic रेस्पॉन्सेस? कभी कभी आपको देखते होंगे कि कोई मेडिसिन दे दिया गया और मेडिसिन से एलर्जी पैदा हो गया, तो उसका टेस्ट होता है ना, तो उस समय यदि इस तरह का रिएक्शन हो गया, मेडिसिन से रिएक्शंस हो गए, कोई इस तरह का वायलेंट रिएक्शंस हुआ, तो डॉक्टर्स वेरी इमीडिएटली प्रेस्क्राइब द एंटीहिस्टामिन ड्रग्स और एड्रेनलिन और स्टेरॉइड्स. So these are the steroids are hormones, adrenals are hormones, and antihistamine like आप नाम सुने होंगे एविल, डेक्सोना, ये सब दिया जाता है, जो एकदम मरते हुए आदमी को, बहुत जब लाइफ एकदम थ्रेटनिंग होती है, then we provide this type of drugs to save them. So ये संजीवनी का काम करते हैं उस व्यक्ति के लिए जिसमें रिएक्शन बहुत अनकंट्रोल रिएक्शन है. तो ये जानना होगा एंटीहिस्टामिन, एड्रेनलिन और स्टेरॉइड्स. ये कारण क्या होता है? व्हाट इज द कॉज ऑफ एलर्जी? लो एलर्जी लेवल, मतलब फ्रीक्वेंट एलर्जी, बात पर एलर्जी हो रहा है, धूप में निकल गए एलर्जी हो गया, लाइट से एलर्जी हो सकता है ना, किसी गंदे हवा से एलर्जी हो सकता है. तो व्हाट विल बी द रीजन? द रीजन इज द कॉज ऑफ लो इम्यूनिटी. इम्यून सिस्टम आपका कमजोर है, और लाइफ स्टाइल, you always prone to live in air conditioner environment, never exposed to the dusty or such types of polluted environment. If a person who is living in that polluted environment has developed the immunity against that, so having low allergy responses. But if a person is quite live in protected area, lifestyle is such that every time he has to spend in air conditioner environment, and whenever we for a little period of time exposed to the allergens, he may get the very severe response of allergens. Okay, so lifestyle protected environment in metropolitan city especially is the main cause of allergy. Now, another sometimes question asked related to our immune system. What are various immune systems our body has? So, different type of immune system you have. You can see some disorder of immune system, that is autoimmune disorder. Autoimmune disorder, the rheumatoid arthritis. One disorder is generally developed where our immune system start killing our own cell. So this is called autoimmunity. Some cells developed in our body that reacts with their own cell and the body cells. So such allergy is known as autoimmunity or rheumatoid arthritis. These are autoimmune disorder. And our immune system become angry or take the reaction exaggeratedly to kill certain cells. So this is called autoimmune disorder, rheumatoid arthritis. Very common question asked in medical examination. Our main chief immune systems are, which perform the immune reactions, are lymphoid organs, which are of primary type or secondary type. The primary type of lymphoid organs are our bone marrow, thymus glands. In bone marrow, the T lymphocytes, in bone marrow, B lymphocytes are proliferate and forms, and thymus, which is at the sternum chest region, breastbone, thymosin, T lymphocyte of macrophages or the WBC, which are synthesized or proliferate, and they perform phagocytic nature. They kill the pathogen and take the defense response. In secondary lymphatic organs, we have a spleen, the major one, tonsils near this one, near the throat region, Peyer's patches of a small intestine के अंदर Peyer's patches है, and appendix at the junction of large intestine and small intestine. So these are the main secondary lymphoid organs where the lymphocytes are generally found. The spleen, little more sometimes question asked regarding the spleen. So short notes type questions may be asked. So spleen is also known as spleen itself, a spleen known as spleen. So this spleen has a reservoir of RBC. It is also known as blood bank. So it retains maximum RBC as well as lymphocytes. And whenever germs or pathogen reaches the spleen, it kills them and deposit them and destroy them. Okay, so it's play very important role as a immune system, secondary immune organs. Okay, so I think you have got this point. No problem to write the notes on this one. Thank you.